Hello children. Today we are with the comprehension of the lesson Journey Unit 3 Part A. Let's have a quick glance at the points to remember. Write the answer in the tense in which the question is asked. Do not reproduce the sentence in the passage. Write the answer as briefly and precisely as possible. That is just the answer to the question. Do not start any answer with because. Draw a line after each answer. Write the same question number which is given in the question paper. Here we go to the passage. After spending 6 months of leave at home, the narrator did not feel like going to his workplace. He did not want to leave his newlywed wife and go, hence he extended for 6 months. And now we go with the comprehension. Choose the correct answer. Obviously, I did not want to go. What is the meaning of this expression? He lost interest in job. He did not want to leave his newlywed wife at home. He can live without job. He lost interest in job. Yes, the right answer is he did not want to leave his newlywed wife at home and go to job. If I had come this time around for a special purpose, what is the special purpose referred here? To do some agriculture work? To attend a marriage? To get married? He came on leave to take rest. Here you may be confused with the options to attend a marriage or to get married. Attend a marriage means attend someone else's marriage. To get married means he himself is getting married. Yes, the right answer is to get married. What is the meaning of the phrase dilly-dallying? Taking a long time to do something, to avoid something, playing a game, sleeping long time. Yes, the right answer is taking a long time to do something. What was the luggage of the narrator while he was coming home? Bedding, trunk, chest, baggage. Yes, the right answer is trunk. Answer the following questions. Why did the narrator come to his home and spend 6 months? Generally, we have a leave of 10 days or 15 days. Here, 6 months are too many days. So, here the question is, why did the narrator come to his home and spend 6 months? The narrator came to his home to get married. As he did not want to leave his newlywed wife and go, he extended the leave to 6 months. Why did the narrator finally decide to go to his place of work? Since the narrator had got into debt and as marriage had increased his responsibilities, the narrator decided to go. Hope you all understood how to make the comprehension. Thank you children. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.